Sentences with EA in them. Short sentences on EA words. We had tea this morning. We had tea this morning. The boys swam in the sea. Alan will teach us a song. They will have a picnic at the beach. My hands are clean. She sat on my seat. The leaf is green. Baba and Amma will eat the food. Sammy will steal my pen. I can read very well. She is a beautiful queen. I like peanuts. Will you preach to the children? Sister Helen will speak to him. Comfort likes pig milk. Comfort likes pig milk. I can hear the thunder. Brenda will travel this year. Do not cheat the children. My school team has won the cup this year too. She is so dear to me. My tea is too hot. Afi likes curry and beans. The old man is too weak to walk. I am reading the second reader. Our teacher told us the story about the Beauty and the Beast. Stella has eaten all the food. Daddy gave each of the twins a present. Baby Ann has started weaning. The garage is at the rear of the house. Is there any reason reason why you are not helping her. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.